Are you tired of buying yogurt every week? And do you know that you can make rich creamy yogurt at home with just 2 ingredients? No store-bought starter needed. In today's video, I will show you how to make your own thick yogurt and starter culture right in your kitchen. Simple, budget-friendly, and absolutely delicious. Now, before we dive in, make sure you watch this video to the end because I will be sharing some unique tips to make your yogurt extra creamy and delicious. I will also be sharing 2 other yogurt flavors like strawberry and banana. And also how to turn the yogurt into a healthy breakfast bowl idea. And if you love homemade recipes like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new uploads. Please check out the description box for the full recipe. You will only need milk, full cream works best. Starter culture, either from store-bought plain yogurt or made at home. I'll show you how. If you don't have plain yogurt at home, here are 3 ways you can make your own starter culture. 1 is the vinegar-based style, 2 is the lemon-based style, and the 3rd one is chili stem-based style. This is the old school trick. So in this video, I will show you how to make the 3 mentioned starter culture. Let's begin with the vinegar-based starter. That is a warm water. I am testing it with my finger, not too hot but warm. In a clean bowl, mix powdered milk with lukewarm water around 40 to 45 degrees, warm, not hot. Mix this up gently and then go in with your vinegar, either the white or apple cider vinegar. Please check out the description box below for the full measurement. Stir well and cover loosely with a cloth or lid, not tightly closed. Now let's make the lemon-based starter culture. This method uses the natural acidity of lemon juice to curdle the milk and create a base culture. In a bowl, add some cold water and full cream milk. Stir gently. In a bowl or saucepan, add the milk. Now heat the milk until just before boiling. This kills unwanted bacteria and then let it cool down to warm. Once the milk is warm, you can now add lemon juice or some lemon slices. Then you cover and leave it at room temperature. And for the chili pepper, which is the last method we are making today, drop 1 or 2 green chili stem, not pepper, into warm milk. Cover and leave it at room temperature for 6 to 12 hours. The milk will separate into curds and whey. You can place in an oven. If your oven has a light bulb, turn it on. It will keep the temperature around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. If there is no light bulb, preheat oven to its lowest temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes, then turn it off before placing yogurt starter inside. The oven will act as an insulated box. Or better still, place a hot water bottle inside the oven. Keep the oven door closed for 24 hours. Don't open to check early as it will escape. And don't forget to cover with a thick duvet. Now let's prepare the yogurt proper. This measurement is for 1.2 to 2 liters. Please check out the description box for the full measurement. In a large bowl or pot, dissolve full cream powdered milk in water. Stir gently until the milk is dissolved. Pour into a pot or saucepan and heat the milk mixture gently until it is steaming, not boiling, to kill any unwanted bacteria. Let it cool down to lukewarm. While we are waiting for it to cool down, let's check out our starter culture after 24 hours. After 24 hours, it will become slightly tangy with a soft yogurt-like smell. That is your starter. That is the lemon-based starter culture. And the chili stem-based starter culture. Are you loving this recipe? You will find even more in my exclusive ebooks, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets, over 100 homemade yogurt recipes, to event planning and natural hair growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. So check out the description box below and grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. Look at that, our natural homemade starter culture. And well-made chili stem starter culture. Let me know in the comment below which of this starter culture will you be trying first. Now that our milk is warm enough, you can test this with your finger or on your palm to know if it is warm or still hot. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Pour the mixture into a clean container or flask. You can now add your homemade starter culture. Stir gently and evenly. Cover tightly. There are different ways you can ferment or set your yogurt. One is the blanket method. This one, no power is needed. Just place the container in the middle of a thick towel or small blanket. Wrap it tightly so it stays in. If you have a cooler bag or insulated box, put the wrapped container inside your extra warmth. This is an optional heat boost. That is, fill a bottle with hot water and place it beside the jar before wrapping, just like what we are doing there. Don't let the hot water touch the yogurt container directly if it is a plastic container. So keep a cloth in between for 8 to 12 hours without opening. The second one is the cooler method. This one, fill a hot water bottle with water and then wrap the bottle in a small towel so it doesn't touch your yogurt container directly. Wrap your yogurt container in a thick towel or small blanket and then place the wrap water bottle beside the yogurt container in the cooler, not on top. Close the cooler and don't open for 24 hours. And for the oven method, if your oven has a light bulb, turn it on. If no light bulb, preheat your oven to its lowest temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. And then turn it off before placing the yogurt inside. Better still, you can just use the hot water bottle method instead. And do you know that you can drain out the water from your remaining starter culture and then dry this in an oven? After drying, you can store this up in an airtight container which can last for about 2 to 3 months. You can also air dry it as well instead of drying in an oven. After leaving the yogurt undisturbed for about 12 to 24 hours or overnight, this is what we have. It's okay to have that water you can see on top of the yogurt. It's okay to have it there. That is the way. It shows that our yogurt really ferments. Once the yogurt is set and thick, place it in the fridge without mixing or disturbing it for at least 2 to 4 hours. And don't throw away the liquid. That is the way. A protein-packed liquid you can use in smoothies, baking, or even as plant fertilizer. We can now mix the yogurt. If you want a lighter yogurt, you can leave the whey and then you mix it like that. But if you want it thicker, you can drain out the whey. This is an unsweetened yogurt. So let me share tips on how you can sweeten your homemade yogurt. Here is a tip. Avoid adding sugar or sweetener before or during fermentation, as it may affect the growth of the bacteria. Always sweeten after the yogurt is fully set. For sweetening yogurt, you can sweeten with sugar, honey or maple syrup, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, fruit puree or jam, and so on. Pour in a clean sterilized bottle or plastic and store in the freezer or fridge. In the fridge, it can last about 7 to 10 days if kept in a clean airtight container, while in the freezer it can last up to 1 to 2 months, but texture may change. For strawberry flavor and banana flavored yogurt, for the banana flavor, mash 1 ripe banana or blend into puree and then stir into your plain yogurt after fermentation. For the yellow effect, add 1 to 2 drops of yellow food color and then mix evenly. For the strawberry yogurt, add some strawberry puree or jam into your plain yogurt after fermentation, and for the color, add 2 to 3 drops of red food color and then mix evenly. Let's check out some power-packed breakfast idea with yogurt in just 5 minutes. Grab a bowl of creamy homemade yogurt and then top it off with fruits like bananas, apples, strawberry, and so on, and then granola. We have a video on how to make rich homemade granola recipe. Please check out the link in the description box below to watch that video. Finally, before you rush off to enjoy your yogurt, let me share some bonus tips and recipes to make yours stand out even more than store-bought ones. Do you want thick, creamy Greek yogurt style? Just strain your yogurt through a clean or fine sieve for a few hours. The result will be a rich, thick Greek yogurt style yogurt. For natural flavors, no chemicals, just add some honey, vanilla, cinnamon, fresh mango or pineapple puree, and so on. And if your yogurt came out watery, this is why. The milk was too hot, the milk was too cold, or maybe your starter culture was flavored. Try plain natural yogurt next time. There you have it, creamy, healthy homemade yogurt without a starter or yogurt machine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend and don't forget to subscribe for more easy kitchen recipes. Let me know in the comments how your yogurt turned out, and I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video.